Little Mermaid. It's so hot today. Oh, come on. A freshwater vending machine. You're so lucky, Coral. Come on, machine. Coral is so thirsty. Oh no, the machine swallowed the money. That won't work, Coral. No, Coral, don't do that. You're going to get stuck. Uh-oh. Whoa! Are you okay, Coral? Of course. The machine didn't work because it wasn't plugged in. Let's get that cold water now. Don't tell me you ran out of money, Coral. You have to find a coin. Nothing like a good run. Right, Cinderella? Good idea. It's important to drink water after exercising. Wow! How many have you had already? Another one, Cinderella. You shouldn't drink so much. Hooray! Quick, let's go to the machine. Oh no! It's empty! But how? You shouldn't have drunk them all, Cinderella. Now Coral can't drink anything and she's so thirsty. It's the last bottle. Were you saving it for later, Cinderella? Wow! Thanks, Cinderella. Good morning, Red Riding Hood. Wait! Your order has finally arrived, Alice. See ya, Red! Quick, Alice, get it out! Oh! It's prank time! Hurry, Alice! Someone is coming! Yummy! What a tasty, healthy apple, Snow White! But sometimes there's nothing like a good cookie. She's going to fall for it! No, be strong! It's just a teeny tiny cookie! What a scare Snow White got! Quick! Someone else is coming! It's Prince! Yum! Cookies! A picture for all my followers first. Poor Prince! He almost ate that spider. Looks like someone else is coming. I think it's Cinderella. A snack to recharge. She does run fast now. Oh, a real spider. Someone's in love. Uh-oh. This is not your spider, Alice. It's time to decorate the Christmas tree. Amazing, Rapunzel! You're so fast. Look, Beast is working hard too. Careful, Beast. Don't slip with the Christmas balls. Phew, that was close. Sorry, Rapunzel. Beast didn't mean it. Great job, Rapunzel. But the star is still missing. That's too high, Rapunzel. Rapunzel doesn't know how to get to the top. A staircase! Great idea, Beast. But don't let it fall. Hold that staircase tight, Beast. Rapunzel might fall down. That must have hurt. Beast is trying his best, Rapunzel. Yay! Put that star on, Beast. Don't worry, Rapunzel has your back. Yay! Don't forget to take a picture. Love is in the air on Valentine's Day. Don't be sad, Prince. True love will find you in the end. Look, there's Snow White. But she seems odd. Ooh, Prince fell in love. Mirror, mirror, who's the most handsome prince of this kingdom? May he have the pleasure of this dance? What? Snow White is acting so weird today. Don't give up, Prince. Why don't you try with some Valentine's Day presents? Oh, those are gorgeous. She didn't seem to like them as much. You're so romantic. No, come on, Snow White. The card is not a dustpan. Don't lose hope, Prince. Why don't you try one last time? Great idea. A love arrow will definitely make her fall in love. Oh no! What was that? That's right. When she smells the apple, she will surely wake up. What? Snow White? Of course! The Snow White you were trying to seduce wasn't Snow White. It was just a robot. Aw, that's so romantic. Just like Romeo and Juliet. Happy Valentine's Day! Belle, Beast, are you painting Easter eggs? That looks so fun! A picture of yourself! Nice work, Belle. Beast, those eggs are for painting, not for playing. Now Belle has to go change. You have to be more careful, Beast. I really wouldn't play with Belle's egg, Beast. Why don't you paint one on your own, Beast? Hey, I said paint, not juggle. You're going to break all the eggs. Beast, there's only 2 eggs left. Watch it. Good idea, Beast. If you put the eggs on that cushion, nothing will happen to them. What's that? Don't worry, Belle. Your egg is safe. Uh-oh. Belle, Beast didn't mean to break the egg. Huh? Do you want to paint some eggs, Beast? Those Easter eggs look amazing, guys! And delicious too, right, Belle? You couldn't help it, huh? In the end, they're chocolate eggs, right?